guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about an incredible Indian brand which is named as the Soapsware. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and do follow me on Instagram for the regular updates of the video. Now I have been loving this brand because their products are so wonderful, especially their soaps, and that's what I'm going to show you first. Okay, so believe me, I am not a soap person, but since the time I have discovered this brand, like, I am in love with their soaps. I literally have 3 soaps in my shower right now from this particular brand, which I'm going to show you all. Best part of the story is that they have soaps for different skin concerns. So let me show you the first soap, which is the raw honey almond oil oat soap. Now, firstly, the best part of this brand is that they have each and every packaging has each and every detail telling you about the ingredient and also for what purpose the soap is used. So let me read the ingredients of this particular soap. Now this particular soap has almond oil, coconut oil, honey, rolled oats and glycerin. First of all, when you open their site, the soaps are so appealing because they are handmade and they are free from all the nonsense chemicals that you will be thinking of, free from paraben, SLS, and these are. So let me show you the soap itself. The soap looks like this and you can literally see the oats on the soap. Now the best part of this brand is that when you are buying a soap from a particular ingredient, you can literally see the ingredient in the soap, which is so satisfying. And now this whole oats will help you exfoliate your skin very gently if you are a sensitive skin type person who do not like to use loofah. So you can use this soap, it will gently exfoliate your body and this will also help you improve the elasticity of your skin. Moving on to the other soap, which is activated charcoal natural loofah soaps. Now these soaps have natural loofah in it, which is super exciting for me because I had never used a soap which has natural loofah, and because I love to exfoliate my body. Now first let me read the ingredients in this. The ingredients are activated charcoal powder, mint oil, coconut oil, natural loofah, glycerin and purified water. Let me first zoom into the soap. Now the natural loofah looks like this. You might find the loofah to be harsh, but trust me, it's not. It just looks in the picture. You can see how much I have used the soap because the actual soap is 4 or 5 times bigger than this. Now the activated charcoal powder has antibacterial properties which will help you heal the pimples and also prevent further breakout. This also has mint oil which will give you a cooling sensation when you bathe, and this soap becomes a perfect soap for summer season. The third soap, which is my absolute favorite, is the Lemongrass Natural Loofah. Now I love this soap because it is a beautiful combination of lemongrass and natural loofah. I personally love lemongrass because of its fragrance, obviously, which is very pleasing. Now, let me zoom in the soap a little bit, which is again you can see you can see the loofah is embedded in the soap. This again might look very harsh or a little harsh maybe, but this is not a harsh soap because when it comes in contact with the water, it will gently exfoliate your skin. Again and again mentioning that this has a very refreshing feeling because of lemongrass present in it. I am highly recommending the soaps. Not only these 3 soaps, but they have got various varieties of soap. Moving on to the next product, which is their hand pounded organic rose body scrub. Let me first read the ingredients list, then I will show you the texture of this body scrub. The ingredients are hand pounded organic rose petals, shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil and cane sugar. I know this has got a lot of ingredients. Now this has sugar in it, and definitely this is not one of those scrubs which you can use daily. In fact, you should not use any scrub daily. Let me show you the texture of this. I'll take some of it in the lid of the bottle and then show you. Now you can see the texture. Now you can see also the sugar particles, which are not very tiny. So I would not recommend you to use it in once in 1 week if you have got sensitive skin type. But this has got amazing fragrance because of the hand pounded organic roses present in it. Again and again saying, do not use the scrub daily. You can just use it once in 1 week or maybe once in 10 days, but this is a great scrub and you can definitely give it a try. So these were the products from this brand, and they are definitely worth the try. Do go and check out if you love using body soaps. In fact, as I mentioned, I am not a soap person, but still I'm using it because they're amazing. You will definitely find one soap for your body concern. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, give a thumbs up to this video, and do follow me on Instagram. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!